main move and go a bit of speed. Bit of speed and hit it, see what it does. Yeah. Oh, I can smell the clutch. It's only going to dent the Mazda, it's not going to hurt the shed. It moved a little bit. Yeah, tiny bit.
Tiny bit?
Yeah. As soon as you hit it though, yeah, that moved a bit. You went a bit there. Beautiful, whoa, whoa, whoa. That's good. Mazdarini. Come around, get. Swing. Zoom, zoom, zoom. It's going. Zoom, zoom. Beautiful. Ah, it's going. Oh, the chain came off. It's moving, it's moved heaps. You've made a huge gap now. Yeah, do another big one there. Oh. Now do this corner. Now go this corner. You moved it a fair bit. See? That's heaps better. Did right, you get around there now, won't you?
Nah.
Oh, because this is in the way still. But once you push this over, like you...
Yeah, maybe.
I reckon it'll go close. Once this is over, see if we can push this over, yeah. Yep. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yep, go for it. Oh, you want to get a run up? Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Bit more, another little tap and yeah, about 2 feet. Keep going, keep going. You can go another half a foot. Righty-o. Fucking Maserati. Mr. Frog. You're gonna get off my light, buddy?